Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. So in this video, we are going to discuss about volume of a sphere. So this is our last topic of the surface areas and volumes chapter. Okay, so that day we discussed about the sphere and hemisphere. So surface area of a sphere. So just recall the surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So if we cut the sphere into two equal parts, then each part is known as a hemisphere. Right now, you all know it as a hemisphere. So then hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square. For that curved surface area, if we add one circular plate, then which gives the total surface area 3 pi r square. So in this class, we are going to discuss actually volume of a sphere. So if we get volume of a sphere, then it is easy to get the volume of a hemisphere because it's a half of that one. Okay. So first let us see the derivation part of the volume of a sphere. So what is that actually derivation volume of sphere? So volume of sphere na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಪುಟ್ಟ 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 ಕೋನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆ ಕೋನನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ small cone, infinite number of cones. We don't know the exact number of cones, right? Yes, we have to convert the solid sphere into small cones. Then you can observe volume of a sphere which is equal to the sum of the volumes of the cones. Correct, no? So here you just observe this is one sphere. From this sphere actually, so we are removing the cones. Okay, like this ಹೀಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ the solid sphere ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೋನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣ 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 ಕೋನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Clear? Just imagine we'll remove small cones here. So then when we add that, when we fix it that, okay, so then we'll get one sphere. So then we can easily say that volume of sphere is nothing but sum of the volumes of these cones. Infinite number of cones, we don't know the exact number of cones. Okay, so then we all know what is the volume of cone. In the last video we saw that, okay, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, how we got 1 by 3 pi r square h, you all know. Actually pi r square h, this is the volume of cylinder. In that volume of cylinder, so that is base area into height, no? So here 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now for this derivation, I am going to choose this pi r square as base 1. Okay, so we'll get different bases, not equal bases. So we are removing the small cones, in the sense not equal area cones. Okay, so we'll take one small circular cone, then big base cone. Okay, like that. It is not having the equal bases, so we are taking this pi r square as b1. Okay, now the formula of cone is 1 by 3 b1 into h. Can we take 1 by 3 b1 into h? b1 represents pi r square base. Okay, so b1, b2, b3, like that we have to give. Next h. H is nothing but here this h is act like a radius. Okay, radius of the circle. So we are going to use 1 by 3 b1 r. Can I use radius as small r? Yes, we are using the radius as small r only now. So we are taking the formulas for this. This cone volume is 1 by 3 b1 r. Okay, so then this cone is 1 by 3 b2 r. Then this cone is 1 by 3 b3 r. So on up to 1 by 3 bn r. Got the idea of this one? When we add the volumes of these cones, we can absorb 1 by 3 b1r, 1 by 3 b2r, 1 by 3 b3r, so on up to 1 by 3 bnr. So here I took volume of a sphere which is equal to sum of the volumes of cones. So now we are going to add this one, 1 by 3 b1r plus 1 by 3 b2r plus 1 by 3 b3r, so on up to 1 by 3 bn r. So how that 1 by b1, 1 by 3 b1 r got the idea? No, b1 is base. Okay, Yes, now what we are observing here, 1 by 3 r is common. We can observe 1 by 3 r is common. Then b1 plus b2 plus b3 so on up to bn. When we add all the bases, okay, 1 by 3 r into, just imagine when we add all the bases are settled here. Okay, so cone in a vertex ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸ್ಗಳು ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆಡ್ ಬೇಸಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನ. Yes, b1, b2, b3 so on up to bn will get the surface area of the sphere. So in the last video we observed that surface area of the sphere is, that is 4 pi r square. Okay, so 4 pi r square. Then what is the final answer now? 1 by 3 into 4 by 3 pi r into r square r cube. So the volume of a sphere which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. What the idea of this one? How we got the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. This is about the volume of a sphere, half of this one, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a hemisphere, half of this sphere. Sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube in the sense. Hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, you just see the formula of a hemisphere. Okay. Yes. Now see volume of a hemisphere, half of the sphere. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is about the volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. Got the idea now? Yes. Now look at the example 17 problem. Okay. Just go through example 17. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 11.2. Very simple question. Volume of a sphere we have to find out. Radius is given. To find the volume of sphere and hemisphere, only radius is needed, because formula you can observe. 4 by 3, it's a constant value. Pi, it's a 22 by 7 or 3.14. And only r cube, that radius is required to find out the volume of sphere or hemisphere. Here, question is very direct. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 11.2 centimeter. Let us work out this problem. Okay, see here, example 17, radius is given 11.2 centimeter. So volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then need substitution, just to substitute the values and simplify. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. Radius is given, that is r cube. So 3 times we have to multiply. 11.2 into 11.2 into 11.2. After the simplification, the final answer is 5887.32 centimeter cube. So these simplification and all, you all know. Okay. So you just do the simplification and get the answer 5887.32 centimeter cube. Okay, next, look at the next problem, that is example 18. So example 18 is, a shot put is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter. One shot put, you can imagine, you all know shot put. Okay, so a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter. If the density of the metal is, density is given, density of the metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube, then find the mass of the shot put. So to find the mass, first we have to find out the volume, no? So then we have to multiply that volume into 7.8, then you will get the mass. So you already worked out the mass problem in the previous exercises, right? So look at the solution of this example 18. Yes, see, look at this example 18. Just radius 4.9 is given. then mass of 1 centimeter cube of metal is 7.8 gram. So we have to find out the mass of the shot put. Okay, for that first we have to find out the volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then substitute the value 4 by 3 22 by 7 4.9 4.9 4.9, then simplify. So okay, 493 centimeter cube. After the calculation you will get the volume of the shot put is 493 centimeter cube. For 1 centimeter cube the mass is 7.8 gram. In the sense, what is the mass of the shot put? Actually 7.8 into 493, so that is 3845.44 gram. So then you just keep the answer in kg, that is 3.85 kg. Okay, yes, work out this example problem in your notebook and look at that last example problem that is related to hemisphere. Okay, example 19. A hemispherical bowl has a radius 3.5 centimeter. A hemispherical bowl has a radius 3.5 centimeter. What would be the volume of water it would contain? What would be the volume of water it would contain? So we have to find out the volume of hemisphere. So to find the volume of hemisphere, which formula we have to use? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Actually 2 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7, then radius is 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Just calculate. So 89.8. Here it's a example problem. You have the solution also. You just copy this problem in your notebook. Okay, yes, now I think you are able to solve this last exercise of the surface areas and volumes, that is exercise 13.8. okay, most of the students, they have finished already. They have sent the message yesterday. Okay, so remaining, you just finish this exercise 13.8. In the next video I'll send the solutions of this exercise 13.8. okay, so this is the last exercise of the surface areas and volumes. So if you are having any confusion regarding this volume of sphere and hemisphere, you can ask. Okay, so today's homework is exercise 13.8. Clear? Okay, so then we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.